How to log in or sign in Axis Bank credit card account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Open up a browser that you prefer on your device and search for Axis Bank Login. In here you will find various of options. Select the option of Axis Banking Internet Banking, then go ahead and select that. You will be redirected to its official homepage. Now at the very top you will find the option of login. To log into your account, first and foremost you actually have to tap on the login bubble. Once you tap on it, select if it's for personal or business, then go ahead and select login or register. Now to log into your account, you have to enter these credentials. Enter your login ID or customer ID, enter your password, verify yourself, then you can select the location where you want to be directed once you are logged in. Select the option of credit cards, then tap on login. Select debit card number if your card is already activated. Now you can enter debit card number, ATM PIN and again verify and select the directed location, then select get OTP. And that is how you can easily log into your Axis Bank account. Tap on Enable Login ID if you have forgotten any of the credential. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.